Welcome, Craft Girls! Today we are doing the Google versus Siri
versus Alexa Slime Challenge.
Slime Smoothie Challenge. Oh, and we have this cute little peppermint. Alright, so we are babysitting our friend's dog as they went on a cruise. And look how cute she is. She's a mini min pin. Half min pin, half chihuahua. And which that means mini pincher, if you don't know.
This thing is so weird.
Ready? Come on. Can I say hi? Wait, look, she'll give kisses. Kisses. If you're new to our channel, I'm Annalise. I'm Julia.
And I'm Rachel. They're fraternal twins, and I'm their older sister.
We would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
If you do, you'll become part of our CG family.
So let us know in the comments down below if you did those things, and you might get a shout out at the end. Let's get started! So recently we did a Siri versus Google versus Mom Slime Challenge.
And a bunch of you commented that Alexa is probably feeling a little left out, which is why we brought her for this video.
Say hi, Alexa. Say hi.
Hi. For the hey Google.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Hey Siri, say hi.
You have to do sentences.
Okay. Hello.
Oh. Hey Google, say hello.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Not much.
So here we go, all three of them are here for the party. Pause! Okay, so we had a little bit of a problem when a friend came over and then it got kind of late. So it is the next day and we are going to pick up where we left off. And I'm holding Peppermint, she's sleeping in my lap. Whenever she sleeps, she like burrows her head, so she has her head burrowed in her. That's why I can't see her face.
Brooke H requested this video, and after her, a whole bunch more people requested it as well.
So yes, thank you for the idea. So Brooke H said that Alexa may be feeling left out. Hey Alexa, are you feeling left out?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So
By the way,
obviously,
there are lots more things I can do. Should I tell you more?
no. No, so she's obviously not left out. So she feels like she's better than Maybe she's just hiding it. All right, so I think first we should figure out who's gonna be our partner. I really hope I get Google or Alexa. I'm sorry, Siri, but you're horrible. No offense. I kind of don't. I don't want Google. Mom, I wish you were here, else, because you're like the best robot there is. Okay, let's pull. In this bag, we have 3 choices, which is Alexa, Google, or Siri.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
In this bag, we have 3 choices, and we're gonna pull them now. So I'm gonna start. Here we go. Pulling. Hoping this is one. Don't open it yet. I just picked one too, so I'll do. Wow, these are stuck together really bad. Alright, there you go. Please be Alexa. Please be Siri or Alexa. I opened.
Okay.
I got Siri. Google.
Alexa.
No! Siri, I'm sorry, but I don't like you. So if you saw our last video, when we did this but with our mom, you know that Siri did a terrible job with me. Like, no. So Joe got Siri. I didn't really want Google because she takes forever, but okay. And then she gets Alexa.
Okay guys, so we have 30 slimes here. None of them are perfect, but some of them are really gross.
Okay, so I'm gonna add Siri. So you better do good. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30.
That would be 1.
Oh, I love that one. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Sure. 8.
Starting out with low numbers.
18.
21, 22, 17, 15.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 2.
2.
7, 8. This yellow one. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30.
It's 13.
Ooh, I saw 13.
I'm lucky 13. 21, that's 12. And this should be 17. Oh, 13 is this one, I believe.
Alright, it's Hey Google. Hey Google. Pick a number between 1 and 30.
Coming right up. 4.
Alexa,
4.
pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 2.
Hang on. Alright, so I have to go again. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 28.
Oh,
28.
where's 4? Bad slide.
Oh, I love that one. Can you look in here, please? 5? What's that one? What's the bottom one? Child.
That's not bad. Okay, let's do another round. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30 and make it good. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30.
25.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
27.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 12.
I'm getting all the new stuff. I got both of them. Wow, I do love yogurt.
No, this is 21.
Oh, sorry. I love this one so much.
Should I get both?
Oh.
21. That is 12 down there.
That's 16. Oh, it's okay, baby. Ah, move on. Hey, can you see her face?
Okay.
It's a peppermint.
Hi, Peppermint.
Alright, so this is round 3. We have 3 more rounds.
Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30 and make it good. Hey Google,
That would be 22.
pick a number between 1 and 30.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Hey Google.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 12.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
I got 2. 2. I have 7. Where's 2?
I have 2 already.
Hey
That was the first one I
Google.
got. Alright.
Hey Google.
No, Alexa.
Pick a number between 1 and 20. Hey Google. Hey Google.
Pick a number between 1 and
Pick
30.
a number between 1 and 30.
Here's a number between 1 and 30. It's 4.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 2. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30. Your random number between 1 and 30 is 10. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 23.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30 and make it good.
It's 23.
Yay, I already got that. Oh, Rachel just got that. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30.
The answer is 5.
Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Your random number between 1 and 30 is 15.
Oh. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 11. Take it.
Pick again.
Yes. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30. No, I don't think so. 24. I think, no, Rachel couldn't touch it. Yes, Rachel. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 30. 3.
There you go, Annalise. Oh, it's pigment. Okay, we're gonna do one more round of choosing. All right, let's go. Okay, Siri, pick a number between 1 and 30.
Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30.
It's 24.
Google. Hey
Your random
Google.
number between 1 and 30 is
Google.
25.
Hey Google.
No.
Redo it.
Pick a number between 1 and 30. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 30. Your random number between 1 and 30 is 27.
So we have a bunch left, but they keep choosing the same number. So I'm just gonna go. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 5.
Coming right up.
We don't have
5.
Alexa, pick a number between 14 and 21.
Your random number between 14 and 21 is 18.
18. Yes, we have 18. Yes.
There we go.
Good job. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 15. 21 and 15.
All right. 14.
No, we don't have 14. Right here. Right here. 14! Guys, we did it! Thank you! Alright, now we're gonna mix all of them together. Wait, this is a bad slime. Okay, you guys, so we are ready to start making our slime smoothies. And then after we'll see who wins. My first one is this really nice pink soft serve. It's actually very starchy. My first one is this peppermint. Pigment rose gold one.
And my first one is this purple foam slime that kind of dissolved and separated, whatever.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Look how pretty that is, though.
That's like, wow, Rachel, you're a trooper, girl. Okay, my next one is this. I don't know which one this is, but it feels like soft serve slash. Okay, look at how pretty. Better not on my slime. Ooh, here's my next one. Butter foam. My next one is this really not nice foam. I can't add this whole thing in. It's really nice and also it's huge though, which is why I'm not gonna put the whole thing in.
My next slime is this
There's glitter in it. Ew.
Yeah, that was.
Ooh. This feels so gross.
Don't put the whole thing if it's too much.
I'm just putting half because it's so big. That's about as much as Herman's very upset at me right now. Whoa! Julie, I remember this one. You made it. On our video, it was a triplet telepathy.
Look at how pretty this one is.
Don't use it all up, it's just totally cool.
Oh no!
We can always get one.
Yeah, it's.
I have water.
The vast majority of it.
Alright, my very last slime's going in. This one is, looks a little mucky and it's water. Whoa, I want to touch it. Oh, jeez. I. Jeez Louise, you got it? Oh, it's slimy actually. Very slime-like. This is my last one. This one a little bit sticky. This is
Alright, here's my fourth slime.
Ooh, what is that from?
It is stiff. Yeah, that's a stiff slime, and then this slime, it's really kind of soft, but like it doesn't want to stretch at all. It's like playing with one of those balls full of stuff that's like, it's really squishy, but it won't stretch.
Okay, guys, and here's my very last slime. This is like an aqua bluish gray. It's really pretty, but it has a few straws in it because this is straw slime. And well, there you go, all my slimes. Thank you for watching.
This slime is super nice, so I'm not gonna add too much in.
We should actually do a slime smoothie where we put it and try to make it into a smoothie. Okay, guys, now it's time to mix. Oh! This slime just stuck because it's so hard. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Sorry. Pretty tight. Okay, so this is nice, but there's a lot of runny slime, so it's a little runny. Look at that. Keep it away from my peppermint. All right, my turn. So you can't. Ooh, look, they're real under there. This is like a workout. It's not a bad consistency at all. Actually, I feel like it might turn purple. Right, ready? substance has been needed and given. Oh goodness, sorry Peppermint, I know. Hey, I wanted to show y'all. This is a complete workout.
Oh my gosh.
Such a workout. That's actually kind of pretty though. Just gotta mix it all.
Here is mine.
So sticky.
Mine is pretty sticky, but it actually feels really cool until you hit a straw, which hurts.
Oh, this is like mine is really ugly. It's kind of brown. It's really hard to mix. This is so hard. Oh, wow. Okay.
So what's weird about it is, as soon as the other slimes hit it, it just turned into this consistency where when you like push down, it feels like hardish. And then when you like nicely do this, it's so stretchy and a little sticky. So it's like really weird how it's like oobleck. Mine is so turning brown. That's stretchable. Like I'm purpley brown. I can't. I actually thought it would be really pretty because it got a lot of purples. Well, look at that blue glitter, purple glitter, trying to save you. I'm like, no! I really don't, it's kind of beige. It is day 3. We had technical difficulties yesterday, so we had to stop filming. 3 days, it's taken so far 3 days, hopefully not 4. So we have our finished slimes, and yes, I saw Peppermint in my lap, and yes, she's been in my lap. Every time I put Peppermint down, she just whines and jumps right back to my lap. So here she is. She didn't get a lot of sleep last night. Look at that little face, it's so smushed. She's really tired. So yeah. Whoa.
She's trying to put it on my lap, so I'm trying to help her.
Oh, she's hiding her head in my face. Camera shy, quickly. You've got it. My arm. These are the slimes that we ended up with. Mine is definitely clay-like. Like, it's weird because I only had a tiny chunk of clay slime. It's also pokeable. Mine is really cool. I don't really like the color that much, but it has like all colorful pigment. Not really pokeable, but definitely stretchable. And it's stretchy, and I like it. It's really hard to play with slime with one hand.
And here is my slime, which is super stretchy, but because of that chocolate brown slime that I had in it, it does have some really stiff chunks.
Ooh, nice. What does Peppermint think? Peppermint, who do you think won? She likes the one that smells pepperminty, which mine has way like, more peppermint. You guys have to comment down below and tell us who won, but I just want to say, I think Julia won because her slime's really nice.
Yeah.
But then Rachel, I also like the color of your slime.
But mine's
just last place.
It's like
Go
a
ahead
gray
and say
purple
it.
color, and it's kind of
Mine's definitely a very light pink. It's practically white. Yeah. So not amazing, but technically, like this is probably like we've
This is
gotten
what
worse
we
from a slime
expected from a
smoothie.
slime smoothie.
Yeah,
we
this
have
is
gotten
actually.
worse. Okay, guys, this video has been totally crazy, but now it is time for shout out.
Kiddos. Rainel Zatari, Maurice Flores, Izzy Lee's Life, Audrey Sen,
And Anna the Horse Lover.
Thank you so much for being part of our CG family.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.
We love you guys so much. Bye. Wait, where's Peppermint's paw? One moment. Don't move.
She just looks like
She's